Right, we just got to Holiday Inn Heathrow Airport. Amazing. Wow, this hotel is amazing. It's so beautiful, guys. Wow, I can't believe this is Holiday Inn. Guys, I need to do some B-rolls so I can show you guys how beautiful this hotel looks like. So good. Yeah? 14, yeah? Code 14. Yeah. How are you? I'm very good, guys. Look at this. Delivery man just delivered my KFC. How amazing. I mean, Holiday Inn at Heathrow Airport, and I just ordered.
It's amazing.
It's amazing. Delivery room guy, man. What's your name?
What?
What's your name? Nice to meet you, man.
Okay.
Guys, I can't believe I just ordered a delivery. It came within 15 minutes. The guy actually surprised me with a subscription. He actually subscribed to my channel. How amazing is that? Wow, look at this. So tomorrow by 9 o'clock we'll be heading to Heathrow Airport. I just want to take this moment to show you guys how beautiful this Holiday Inn Heathrow Airport look like. It's just next to I'll put it for you. There's another hotel next to it as well, but I don't know what it's a chain. But you know, while I'm here, let me show you guys how beautiful this hotel look like. You know, they have a bar here, they have a Stella, they have Peroni, you know, they have everything. Amazing place. Hey, what's your name? What's your name?
Milan.
Milan, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I'm staying in your hotel tonight.
Oh, lucky you.
Yeah, probably I should come here.
Bartender, lucky you, sir.
Yeah,
what
maybe,
would you like?
Maybe
Stella?
I should come here so I can serve me Stella. Let me go
like
upstairs. Oh no, yeah, let me let me go upstairs and I'll be back in a minute. Yeah. Thank you very much. Wow, Milan is very nice. Everybody seems really nice down here. Beautiful hotel, guys. They seem so friendly. At the moment, I'm just going up to our room, have my KFC, then I'll probably show you guys the room, how the room look like. So they have about 2 escalators, one down the reception and one down the road by the bar in the restaurant. So guys, I'm just going up right now. When you get you press your number, then it takes you up, because without this card you can't get to your room. So yeah, I think I tried that earlier. I couldn't get it. I have to go out, call JA to bring the card, and I can punch it in. Guys, look at that. Deliveroo brought this. Amazing is that. Yeah. Going to my room. This breakfast served between 6 and 10. Guys, look at that. Right, so let's walk. Let me show you guys how the hotel look like. It's very big. It's very, very big. Our room is all the way down there. Very, very big hotel. It's literally just outside Heathrow. Literally outside Heathrow. And to get taxi from this hotel, and I believe they charge per luggage. I'll try and see if I could display over the video. So guys, so when you're here, you know exactly what to expect. You know, they have a big car park as well, you know. Amazing place, amazing hotel. Look at the rooms. Yeah. So guys, it's been amazing showing you guys the hotel. I'll try to see Maybe we'll show you a bit of the hotel in the morning or later tonight. But I have got a bit of time. So we have the stairs down here. This place will lead you to a different part of our room. It's for something. And here's the escalator. There's one there, there's one there. And our room is all the way down there. So guys, see you guys later. Thank you. The room is very, very nice.
Did you like it?
Oh, very, very nice. Very. I can't wait to sleep. Wow, look at this hotel. Look guys, look at the restaurant menu. The starter, that's the main, that's the side. Look, all these amazing pizzas down here. I'm just going to go to the bar to see if these guys could get me some dips, you know, like mayo, because we bought KFC, so we're looking for a dip. Yeah, that's nice.
Basically start food at the end.
Wow.
I got left over apparently. Are you vlogging?
Yeah, I'm doing some travel vlogs. I'm promoting the bar. Look, oh, this amazing bar here. They have drinks, they have Stella, they have wine, they have everything down here, you know. Oh yeah, I'm very good. And you? Wow, breakfast looks good. I wish I'll offer for breakfast. Maybe next time.